The pretty Israeli pagers exploding in popularity star of David Pager gag joke shirt combines humor with cultural symbolism in a bold, eye-catching design, featuring the phrase and #8220. Israeli pagers exploding in popularity and #8221 prominently displayed. This shirt centers around a stylized pager device illustrated with the iconic Star of David on its screen. The word and #8220, pagers and number 8221, is cleverly integrated with the pager graphic, enhancing the playful and witty nature of the design. Pretty Israeli pagers exploding in popularity shown as a classic shirt. About the design and its cultural context, this shirt taps into a niche of religious humor by referencing Israeli pagers alongside the Star of David, a symbol deeply connected to Jewish identity and culture. The design uses simple line art and bold text to create a minimalist yet impactful look that resonates with those familiar with Jewish cultural elements. The humor is lighthearted and intended as a gag joke, making it suitable for casual settings where a bit of cultural wit is appreciated. Audience and occasions for wearing this shirt appeals to people interested in Jewish culture and those who enjoy religious-themed humor. It fits well in